Hi guys, Leo, this is your reading. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you see it is when you are supposed to hear it. Okay, this could be Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or Jupiter. If this doesn't resonate with you, please check your other signs. We'll be doing past, present, future spread here. We'll be doing Oracle as well as Tarot. So, Leo, the king of the zodiac, please take a deep breath in. Allow the universal love, peace, harmony to flow right into you, through you, from you. Feel the divine grace, the divine protection all around you. It is only a matter of time that when we remember, it's for us to realize the universal consciousness of oneness, of peace, of love. That is our true nature. Anything that is pulling your vibe down, pulling your energy down, set it free. Whatever is meant to you will come to you, Leo. Be in the state of flow. Alright, this is for Leo. We'll tap into your past, your present, and your future. Alright, Leo, we have clean it up. We have happy, happy. We have by the book. Some past wounds that has to cleaned up and to stay in the past. I think that very well stays right there in the past. In the present, you are quite happy, and whatever it is that is making you happy, be in that vibe. Whatever that makes, always remember this. Do whatever it is that makes you happy, you have to do that. Keep doing it. Keep doing more of it. You can never be bored of anything that makes you happy. In the future, you have by the book. So, with that rule book, you are following something. With that little rule book of yours, I somewhere feel that you are leading something. You are leading. You are the leader. You are guiding others. You are showing them the way. Because you have found yours. You could have found your way to happiness. This is quite a spiritual message that I'm getting for Leo. You are showing the others the right way. It's all merging into oneness. Because you have been put through an experience for growth, I feel, and you've grown. You have indeed grown and found your way to happiness, or you've already reached there in this place of timelessness. And wow, this is a very, very spiritual vibe. Yes, can't get enough of it. Just keep enough shuffling, Leo. Let's see what it is. Leo, you are standing in your power. This is a Leo card. Wow, I'm just amazed. This is an awesome, awesome reading, Leo. You standing in your power is always, whenever, for any zodiac, when their card comes out, I just know that no matter what you're going through, whatever card comes out, it's all going to be good. Yes, it's something to do with community. Okay, Leo. So here you have in the past Five of Cups, Nine of Cups, and the Three of Pentacles. Something that made you sad, Leo, a partnership of some sort could have made you sad, and for some time, I do feel that you got stuck in that of looking back at the past, at what you lost. It, I'm sure this, whatever you lost, had that emotional burden over you, which pulled you down. And I guess somewhere, some of you guys have already cleaned up the mess, and that's why you are in this happy state. You have the Fool right in the middle of the reading. So the heart of the reading is Fool. So it's about being so free, so light-hearted, that you have no burdens to carry. You are only living in the moment. And yes, I guess I get that feeling for the Leos out here. You could be working with your spiritual community or any community of sorts. It could be your work that gives you this emotional fulfillment. You've found your happy place, and I can guarantee you that if you've not found, you are going to find your happy place soon. In the present, you have the Seven of Swords, the Fool, and the King of Wands. King of Wands again is a fire sign, and I quite strongly feel that's your energy. There is the Seven of Swords here. It could be you or a person you are dealing with. I'm quite not clear. We'll see what that is once we clarify. In the future, you have the Ten of Pentacles, the King of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. Leo, you may not be ready for love, for receiving love, but I do see somebody coming towards you. This could be a long-term partnership, a long-term relationship that will make you really happy. But since you are not so used to, maybe you are so happy and so complete being single that you don't want to step into a relationship, and that might create some stress for you. But we'll see what that is as well once we clarify. Please clarify the Seven of Swords here. For Leos out here, why is the Seven of Swords here? In the present, why is the Seven of Swords here? Okay, so Leo, you could have had the habit of going back into the past again, of not being able to live fully in this present moment, but I think you are overcoming that, because the Seven of Swords is clarified by the Six of Wands. It's a card of victory, a card of success, a card of overcoming anything and enjoying the success or the rewards that come with it. So you're getting out of that mindset of you may not be fully moving forward. I think now you are moving on. You are moving on. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords here for Leo. Why is the Nine of Swords in the future? Wow, indeed somebody is coming for you, Leo. There is a long-term stability, long-term connection that could keep you in your head, and you might actually create some sort of resistance here. Bottom of the deck, I don't do reverses. That's why I had to reverse this card. We have Seven of Wands. You could be rejecting it because you are so happy single, so happy on your own, that you don't want any situation, person to ruin it for you. Don't worry, Leo. If it's a balanced, you would know if it's a balanced relationship or not. And if you are standing in your power, trust me that the relationship will be a balanced one. If not, you will know it. All right, Leo, let's pull a card of guidance for you and see what is it that the divine spirits have for Leo. just makes too much noise, so that's why I was shuffling the cards here. I think I might as well continue shuffling it. For Leo, guidance for Leo, please. Okay, one more shuffle. That's it. That's it, Leo. Let's see what we have. Tantra. Okay, what is that about? Let's see, Leo. Why do you have Tantra? Balance of masculine and feminine. You are expanding into liberation. Tantra. TAN-TRA. Moving past the dualistic mind that judges everything as right or wrong, you are headed to the greater truth that comes from integration. The structured masculine and flowing feminine within you merging, allowing you to move toward infinite consciousness. The mature masculine within you creates presence, focus, stillness, and determination. The mature feminine within you results in creativity, flow, movement, sensuality, and nurturing. Both genders require a balance of these two energies. Continue to invite in all aspects of yourself, your light, your shadows, your Shakti, your Shiva, your cognition, your intuition. Wow, Leo, this is the best reading I have ever seen in my lifetime of tarot reading. This is the best reading for sure. Give up on all the resistance that you may feel for someone, or if someone comes in, or if some situation comes in. Be in the state of flow. You are the leader. You know what is it that makes you happy. I'm just blown away. Leo, that's the reading for you guys. I hope this resonates with the ones watching the video. All right. Until next time, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.